Hello, today we will guide you through how to build a resume in Overleaf using Claude AI. In this walkthrough, we'll keep the process simple and focused. The goal is to use Claude to help generate content or structure for a resume that you can later use in Overleaf. Even though this is a short process, it's helpful to be clear with your prompt so the response you get is more useful and easier to work with. To begin, open Claude and start a new chat. You'll want to make sure you're on the new conversation page so you can enter a fresh request without any previous context affecting the result. Starting with a clean chat is especially useful when you want a focused output, like a resume draft or a resume template suggestion. Once the new chat is open, enter a sample prompt about building a resume in Overleaf. This is the most important part of the process because the quality of your prompt will shape the response. Keep your request direct and specific. For example, you may want to ask for a professional resume formatted for Overleaf, or request LaTeX-ready resume content that is clean, modern, and easy to edit. If needed, include the kind of role or industry the resume is for, so the result feels more tailored and relevant. As you type, try to keep your wording organized. A clear prompt helps Claude understand whether you want resume sections, formatting suggestions, or full draft content. This can save time later when you move the content into Overleaf. If you already know the tone you want, such as formal, concise, or achievement-focused, it can also help to mention that in the prompt. After entering your prompt, press Enter to submit it. Claude will then begin generating a response based on your request. At this stage, give it a moment to produce the output. Once it appears, you can review the result and decide what parts you want to use in your Overleaf resume. If the first answer is close, but not perfect, you can always refine it in a follow-up message later, but for now, the key action is simply sending the prompt. That's all for this quick guide. By opening a new chat, entering a clear prompt about building a resume in Overleaf and submitting it, you create a solid starting point for drafting your resume with AI assistance. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps make your resume building process faster and easier.